here, and welcome finally to another photography practice session. I'm currently out in the Loup of Fintry. This is supposed to be a big massive waterfall away out here, which is strange because it's at the other end of Carn Valley. I've never knew about this place. I got a book photographing Scotland, and it basically details a whole host of different places to go out and search for good photo opportunities. So that's what I'm currently working through. It's been a long little while since I've done any of these, and it's just because of the weather's just been absolutely atrocious. It's been really rubbish. But today it's finally, well, I say finally, I think we've got another storm coming in. But at least it's not raining, and it has been raining for donkeys, man. It constantly rains. So yeah, looking out here, I mean, there's a little bit, I don't know if you can see the snow up the hills there. I mean, they're relatively close by. It's good to be finally to get out. Honestly, it really is. And to get out, I've recently upgraded from my Canon 200D to a 6D, and I've got the new lens for it, a landscape lens. What was that? I forget the one. I'll be able to tell you in a minute when I grab it back out. But yeah, that's my newest lens. Because when I got my 200D, I then got a landscape lens for it, and yeah, that didn't fit that one because it was a crop censored one. But oh wow. Okay, so let me just see if I can get into a better position here so you can see this. This is pretty mint, like. The Loup of Fintry. It is so high. I mean, I don't know if that doesn't look high, but it's high. That's like a glen down there. But it's in full flow just probably because of all the rain that we've been having. So I don't know how the hell I'm going to record this. Record it? I mean, take a picture of it. So many opportunities. I may even get the little Mavic out and see how it gets on down there. Imagine losing that. Imagine. I'd be screaming. Literally, I'd gear up then. I'd gear up DJI Mavics if that went in there. But I'm going to go down there and see if there's a better place that I can scout about. I'll get the camera out. Just try to look around here, see if there's a different way down to I don't know if I could maybe make my way down to the side over there. Find out in a minute. Look at the smoke coming off that van. Smoke, steam, spray, mental. Right, I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to go and get into a better position. So yeah, man, it's quite high. So I'm just trying to pick my way, well, to the top here. I'm going to try and see what I can do at the top, and then take it from there. But in that book it says the path was well defined and it was pretty good in that. I think I've filmed my arse quite a few times just up on that bit up there. It's soggy as hell, man. But man, this thing looks like it's got drop madness on it. Fell in there, you'd be buggered. That'd be you indeed. So yeah, the lens that I had is a 17-40mm on the 6D. Super happy with it. Nice and clear. Does it make you a better photographer? No. But it does help. Wow, this man. Just let me get it. It's freaking freezing as well. Oh, lens colour. Right. Oh, wow, it's cold. Let's oh shit. And that just keeps on going down. I'll have a wee sneak peek. I'll maybe go down to those rocks because I'm brave. But I'm not gonna go courageous. I think it's only my wife that knows I'm out here. And I don't even think she knows where this place is. Maybe she's trying to off me. But okay, here we go. Right, I'll switch this camera around so you can see it a bit. Holy shit. Niagara Falls. Full flow. Deep as well. Mental. Nice little still little burn. Boom, right off the edge. Indeed. See if we got a bit lower. Go down there. Massive amount of water. That was better. So I set up the I set up the tripod. I'm taking a couple of long exposures. I think I've got some good ones, but now I'm going to try and get down lower, and then when I get back up there again, because I think you need to go up to come back down. It'll probably be down that little bridge over there, down this way. Then I'll get my camera out again. Man, that spray's totally soaking the camera, but yeah, but when I get it back up there, I'm going to get the drone out, I'm going to fly it over, see how we get on with it, and see if we get some epic shots of that. But yeah, I'm going to pack this bad boy up, head on down, and I'll see you when we get down there. But I'm impressed, man, I'm impressed with this. Epic. Epic. Right, anyway. Wow, epic little flight. The drone was kind of bitching and moaning at me. There we go, that's a bit something to look at other than my big fat chin. Yeah, it was bitching and moaning at me, saying it was high winds, it wanted to land. So what I did was I flew it over. You can see this in that wee video, I'll put a wee cool snippet in there, it looked quite neat. But yeah, flew it over the falls, turned it around, flew it back, and it's, I'm not gonna lie, down there, I mean, I can't even show you. I'm going to try and get more down. By the way, I just noticed that I was filming this at 30 frames per second, so if it looks a bit rank at the start, because I was a bit of a tool, it didn't select 60 frames per second, 1080p. But yeah, try and get more down, see if we can get a long exposure of this. I mean, it doesn't look as violent now. I don't know, maybe it's just perception or whatever, but who knows. It's getting windy, it's starting to get really cold as well, so I'm going to try and get this finished up as soon as I can. Then I'll probably head off someplace else and fly about with my new drone that I built, the Long Ranger as I call it. So basically that drone is going to be used in conjunction with everything else that I've got. Honestly, I'm going to need Sherpas when I go up the Munros. But yeah, what I'm planning on doing with the Long Range drone, if you can look over there, the big hills in distance, I'm going to probably start from this location and fly it up to the top, and then make it come careering down the side of that face there, or even over there in those mountains. Actually, I'm pretty sure you can see a Munro from here. If you went up to the top of that hill right over there, wow, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Look at those clouds, dog. Brilliant. The clouds over there. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, the top of the mountain over there. You'll be able to see some of the Munros, and I think it might be Benboyers, Benbollock, one or two. But that's over there. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I'm going to try and get my arse down here without slipping. I fell trying to set up my camera over there. I nearly went in. I nearly went in. Yeah, right there, right down that, but everything's all reversed in the camera. That bit, right there. Right, anyway. Oh shit, let's go. So, unfortunately, this is about as close as I can get to the Loup of Fintry. All these bushes here, just impenetrable. Not only that, I mean, that's all deep swamp and just minging there. So, I mean, it's not safe to wade in the water, obs. But yeah, that water's careering straight down there. There's no safe way of getting up and around to it. So that's a bit of a bugger. I think what I'm going to have to do is come here when it's maybe not as rain, when the rain hasn't been. Because right now it's just, that's galloping down there. I mean, look at that. Nuts. I think if this was a little bit drier and there wasn't as much rain being over the last couple of weeks, I'd probably be able to walk up straight up there. But I mean, that is high. That is super high. I never knew that this place was here. I never knew that there was that kind of drop. I'd say it's even higher than the Clashnessie Falls, way up north. But yeah, do you want to know what's weird is there's a pair of socks just hanging on that tree right there. Maybe somebody went for a dip. Poor bastard. I got a branch in my. That's what I did. Kind of tangy. I whacked my eye. Don't know what the hell that is. Anyway, what can you say? I got some pictures. I got some footage. I filmed the drone over there, so we'll be able to see what it looks like down there. I'm just a little miffed because it's a hell of a fucking walk back up, all through that swamp. Feet are wet. It's all about though, eh? That's what it's all about. Anyway, I'll throw all the pictures, whatever I've got left, maybe throughout this video and possibly at the end, and then obviously I'll show you the wee video clip of the drone flying on it. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. That's new to the channel and to the Facebook page. I do have a Facebook page as well. What you'll probably find is I'll link these videos into Facebook, but I won't post them to Facebook. If you want to see this video, you need to click on the Facebook link to come over to YouTube. And then next, not this Sunday, the next again, I will be doing one of the Munros. I'll be doing the Beloch the Bar, finally, maybe. Let's hope that I won't be crashing drones, cutting fingers, or losing anything. But yeah, Loup of Fintry, we will be back. See you later, guys.